Okay, this is the distributive property. And the distributive property says that to multiply a sum by a number, you're going to multiply each addend by the number outside of the parentheses. I am going to show you a diagram that will help with learning the distributive property. So what we're going to do is make a box on the side like so, a model, a rectangular model. And at the top of the model, we are going to put A. And on the side of the model, we are going to put B and plus C. Notice that I put plus C because I am taking the sign with the term. Now, in order to get in the box, you have to multiply. So A times B is going to be AB. That's multiplication. And A times C is going to be positive AC. So the sum of A times B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. That is the distributive property only using variables. But we are going to use the distributive property with both variables and numbers. And I'm going to show you how to do that with example number 2. So using the same method here in the work zone, the problem is 2 parentheses x plus 3. Write that down on the side here. Now, pay attention and write and take this in. Using the same method, we're going to create a box, a rectangular array. 2 is going to go at the top of the box. On the side of the box will be x and a positive 3. We multiply to get inside the box. So inside here is going to be 2x. Inside here is going to be positive 6. So when you finish, the answer is going to be 2x plus 6. Now, another way to do that same problem is take this example, multiply 2 times x, that gives you 2x. Multiply 2 times 3, that gives you 6. Okay? Let's try example D. Multiply 8 times x plus, notice I take the sign with the term, 8 times positive 3. Do E on your own. Look up to check your work. Once you check that one, do the same thing for F. Are there any questions? Okay. Now, we're going to work backwards using the same type of concept. Turn to the next page. Over on this problem, we're going to try to get outside of the box. So inside of the box is 3x and 15. The question is, what do 3x and 15 have in common? Not five. What is it? They have a 3 in common. Whatever they have in common goes at the top of the box. Now, once you take out 3, what's left from the first term? X. Once you divide the second term by 3, what's left? 5. And it is positive. So we would write these factors as 3 times x plus 5. So you're looking for what both terms are divisible by. Let's look at K together. 16 and 4x have what in common? Okay, we're going to factor out a 4. When we factor out a 4 from both of these terms, we will have 4 left over from the first term. We're going to divide the second term by 4, and what's left? 1x. Same procedure. Try L and M on your own. Look up to check your work. Okay, now I am going to continue guiding you through problems 2 through 6 using the same procedure. We're doing 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to solve them one by one, and you look up to check your work. If you have questions, stop and ask me. Can someone help me with this? What are both 25 and 60 divisible by? I'm listening. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, once we factor out a 5, there's 5 left on the first term. And how much is left on the second term? 12. Do 5 and 12 have anything in common that they're both divisible by? No, they do not have a common factor. So we can leave it as this. Are we okay with 2, 3, and 4? Okay. Let's go to number 6. Any questions on that one? All right, take a moment and you're going to work on